Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ouch. Grabe, sakit ng shoulder ko. Dapat magpamassage uli ako. Super sakit ng shoulder ko. Later. Magta-drive na naman ako. God. It's gonna be a long drive. It's okay as long as we get home safe. It's not Jaws. Anyhow, it's 10:30 in the morning. We're still in Legazpi. Nag-swimming sila kahapon ako sumapagod ako. Gusto ko matulog. Sarap matulog. Yeah. So, I'll chat you all later. I'm just gonna have breakfast, okay? Love you, TikTok and TikTokers, and mahal ko. Ciao.